In this video, I'll show you how to import products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store using Dsers. If you're starting dropshipping, this is a must-have tool to import products and fulfill orders. Let's get right into it. First, we need to install the app. Head to your Shopify dashboard, type Dsers in the search bar at the top, and click on the app when it appears. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. Just click Install to get started. Then create your account or log in if you already have one. You'll then be redirected to the plan selection page. Just go with the free basic plan. It's more than enough to get started. Now that Dsers is connected to Shopify, we need to link it to Aliexpress. Click on Aliexpress in your Dsers dashboard. If you already have an account, click Login. Otherwise, create a new account. Once you're logged in, click Authorize or Access Now to complete the connection. You should be automatically redirected to your Dsers dashboard. From there, we'll install the Dsers Chrome extension. This will allow you to import products from Aliexpress with just one click. Just click Chrome extension at the top and then hit Add to Chrome. Once added, pin it to your toolbar by clicking the puzzle icon and the little pin next to Dsers. This will make it easily accessible whenever you need it. Then, make sure to log back into Dsers through the Chrome extension. This links your extension and your account automatically. Now head to Aliexpress and browse for products you want to import. In my case, I'll look for watches. Before diving into the results, you can click on the Dsers Chrome extension at the top of your browser. This allows you to filter your search by shipping method, destination country, and currency. It's super helpful when you're targeting a specific market. Once you've adjusted your settings, click Update. Refresh your page, and a small banner will appear above each product, showing whether it matches your selected criteria or not. When you find a product, you'll see a new button at the bottom that says Add to Dsers. Click it, and that product will be sent straight to your Dsers import list. Now, head back to Dsers and click on Import List to see all the products you imported from Aliexpress. But before pushing the product to your store, you can click on Edit Product. This lets you tweak the title, description, select the variants to import, adjust pricing, and more. But don't worry, this step is completely optional. You'll still be able to modify all of these details later directly from your Shopify dashboard after the product is imported. Once you're done, simply click Save. Finally, click on Push to Store. A pop-up will appear. Make sure the option Publish to Online Store is checked, then confirm to push the product to your Shopify store. Now go back to your Shopify admin and click Products. You should now see your imported product live in your Shopify dashboard. From there, you can still review your product details and make any changes you'd like.